Good morning friends, today is 23rd of September 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. This month, initially Nifty 50 spot bounced back from our mentioned midterms cluster support zone from the lows of 24,432 which was on 1st of September. It made the highs of 25,448 on 18th of September. That is almost a pullback of over 1000 points from lows. And from the midterm resistance zone which we have mentioned between 25,350, 550, the index exactly made low high in between that range, and from the highs of 25,450 the index once again witnessed profit taking. In last two trading sessions, the index has slipped down almost 300 points from the highs and it tested the lows of 25,151 in last trading session. Going forward, as per the price and pattern study, the index trading below 25,350 and 400 zone as per the intraday charts remains under pressure. In short term, with intraday strong support at around 24,970 and major 24,750 levels on the lower end. These supports are expected to witness fresh buying interest, but the sustainability of the pullback will be a question mark. This week, the bias we started with was consolidation under pressure, and the ongoing outlook remains valid. The index is expected to consolidate under pressure between a potential broad range of 25,450 and 24,970 first in days to come. For the day today, Nifty 50 spot, which ended last session at 25,202, is expected to witness fresh selling pressure on pullback towards 25,280 and higher 25,340 levels, which can attract fresh selling pressure, keeping strict stop loss of 50 odd points. While on the lower end, 25,060 and lower cannot be ruled out in next couple of sessions. Overall, as per the intraday charts, immediate bias remains pressure below 25,340 spot levels. Bank Nifty spot, which ended last session at 55,285 levels, is expected to hold immediate technical outlook of upside capped below 55,800, 56,000 levels, with support at around 54,500 levels in next few sessions. The index need to sustain above 55,800, 56,000 zone in order to attract fresh buying interest and short covering, else the bias remains range to down outlook. For the day today, Nifty spot outlook can be looked as sell on rise towards the intraday resistance of 25,280 and higher, maintaining stop of 50 points, while initial supports will be at around 25,050 and lower, which can be expected in next few sessions. While for intraday Bank Nifty spot, the bias here also remains range to down and sell on rise towards move 55,500 and higher levels, keeping strict stop loss on the lower end. 55,000 and lower will attract support levels and contra intraday pullback attempts. Overall, if we see, then both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty is expected to witness range to downside outlook in short term time frame. Broader market too remains upside capped. We can expect a pause of its recent up move, and thus partial profit taking and maintaining trailing stop losses will be recommended. Avoid leverage long bets and reduce holdings on up move, as the index remains range to down below mentioned levels in days to come. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.